Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to prepare a quiz by using Telegram app. We all are familiar with Google Quiz, but we can create an interesting quiz by using this Telegram app. So let's start with how to create Telegram quiz. For this purpose, I will open my Telegram and you all can see at top there is search option. In this search option, I will type Quizbot Quizbot. In the search window, we need to type Quizbot Quizbot. Then the Quizbot option is available. We will click on Quizbot option. Then it is saying what can this bot do. This bot can help you create quizzes with several multiple choice questions. You can add extra media or text to questions and set a time limit. So now we will click on this bottom side restart button. Now it is asking this bot will help you create a quiz with a series of multiple choice questions. And there are three options below: create a new quiz, view my quizzes, and language. Default language is English. You can click on language option for changing your language from English to any other language. Currently, I will proceed with English. Hence, I will click on create new quiz. Now it's asking, let's create a new quiz. First, send me the title of your quiz. So I will give title, and title is called as e-content quiz. I am submitting this. Now it's asking good. Now send me a description of your quiz. This is optional. You can type /skip to skip this stage. So I will type little bit description. This quiz is to test your knowledge of e-content. I will post this. Now it is saying good. Now send me a poll with your first question. Now at bottom you all can see create a question option. Click on that option. Now it is saying poll question. Here I will type my question. What can be used to record videos? And here under quiz answers I will type options. First option is OBS. I will click on add option to add another option. Excel sheet, paint. So I am okay with three options. So now I have to tell Telegram which is correct option. So for that purpose I will click on OBS option, and at top right corner there is option of create. I will click on create. So now you can see first question has been created. What can be used to record videos? Now to add second question, I will click again on create question. Again I will type what is full form of OBS, and I will give option open broadcaster software, open broadcasting software, open biological software. Again, I will click on correct answer. So open broadcaster software, and finally I will click on create. You can go with third, fourth and so many questions. Also you can give up to 7 options. Now if I have finished with this quiz, then I can type in this message area /done and I will post. Then it's saying message that please set a time limit for questions. So here we can give time limit for the questions. So I am giving time limit of 30 seconds. Now it is asking shuffle questions and answer options. So I will select shuffle all. Now my quiz is ready and it's showing options: start the quiz, share quiz, edit quiz. Now if I would like to share this quiz with my students or anybody, I will click on share option. I can select name of that student and the quiz can be posted to that student. Now I will show you the demo how this quiz works. Suppose I am a student and I have received this message, then I can just click on this option, start this quiz. Now again I will click on start. Again it's asking me I am ready, so I will click I am ready. Countdown is there. Now it's showing me first question, what is full form of OBS, and you can see countdown timer is there. So time limit is 30 seconds and I have to give answer within 30 seconds. So now I will select proper answer. The answer is open broadcaster software. Once I select, it's showing little bit animation which gives motivation to students. Now in second question, I will purposely select wrong answer. What can be used to record videos? So I will purposely click on wrong answer. So it will show you red color symbol. So this is how students can get interest in solving this quiz. Now I will show you how to get details of this quiz. Again for that purpose, open your quiz bot. You can go to your quiz. Here you can see option quiz stats. You just need to click on this option quiz stats and it will show you one person took the quiz. The name is given Dr. Kalpit Mhatre and one answer is correct and the time limit is 40.8 seconds. So suppose you have forwarded your quiz to 10 students, 100 students, then the quiz statistics will get appeared here and you can get student list along with their proper or positive responses. So this is how you can use Telegram quiz in your teaching learning method. Thank you very much.